Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So, if you're like me, you've been using your Tati Beauty sponge and you've been looking for a dupe. Like, I've been trying it all. I picked up one from Amazon, didn't care for it. The Blower Puff. Tati recommended this a few years ago, or years ago before she came out with her Blendiful. I'm like, okay, this is what she recommended. I'm like, okay, I might like it. I don't like the feel of it, so I kind of feel kind of rough. So then when she launched hers, I'm like, okay. She launched hers, and I'm like, okay. It's like the softest thing ever. Like, okay, I'm gonna try and find a dupe, a replacement for this Blendiful. I'm like, okay, what's going on here? I'm looking for one. I can't seem to find it. Then lo and behold, and I was on Sephora again and we're cruising around, and I'm saying like, oh my goodness, I officially may have found the replacement. So this is the Sephora collection. It comes like this. So far, you can only buy it online first. Again, I'm gonna say myself, this is $7 Canadian, which I have no problem with. Free status, get free shipping. I'm still salty about that one. This one I paid $10 in shipping. And then so I'm like, okay, they look almost the same, just slightly smaller. Okay, this might work out. They feel exactly the same. I have very high hopes for this one. Sephora collection, please don't let me down. And so it comes like this, and the brief thing is a makeup puff made of soft velour or false application for all makeup for this liquid cream and powder. I have very high hopes for this. I'm like hoping this works out because I think this one's gonna work. Teardrop shape, molds and confirms needed to target all over for application. Teardrop shape, teardrop shape. We're looking good here. We're looking good. For best results, gentle tapping, pressing motions, seamlessly blend product into skin. Care structure gently hand wash with warm soapy water, rinse thoroughly, allow time to dry before next use. So by the sounds of it, the usage of these two are exactly the same. Just slightly smaller, which I'm fine with. And then with this one, you can use both sides. It's like a teardrop shape, just like the Tati Beauty sponge. You can flip it over, use the other side. The Blower Puff, you can't, but you can't do that. This one, you could do the same thing. I find it very thick, hard to it does not move around that great. This one, it's got a thinner sponge in it, type thing. Let's dive on in. Let's Tati Beauty sponge. This one might be Sephora collection. I'm hoping this one works. I'm gonna do most of my makeup with the sponge. I'm gonna go in with my primer. If the NYX plump it right up. I'm hoping this works because I got high hopes for this because I'm excited. If you're like me, been on manhunt, using your Tati Beauty sponge, or trying to find every other sponge on the planet, try to work with it. This accidentally ended up in the wash one day, and the sponge got flipped out. My God, I had to fix it, so I had to take it apart, sew it back together. I got high hopes for this Sephora collection, just slightly smaller. I am going to go with NARS Natural Radiant Foundation. I'm going to apply it as I normally use my Blendiful. So, oh my God, I think I'm in love already. I think, oh, okay. this is really, I would say it. Like, it is blending how I like blending. It's like giving me my airbrush finish as I always look for. I am going to go with a concealer brush with it right here, but just to apply my concealer on. I think so far I'm leaning in a really good direction. I think my search is over. I think it's officially done. I'm going with cream bronzer. I just went with Rare Beauty blush. And think I would call it True than the mini one. I'm gonna see how well it is with the okay, it blends really well with the cream bronzer, the cream, I just flipped it over to another side of it. I was using that, still the same time I'm using the liquids. Personally, I like using the Sephora Collection Pro Blush. This one here, 96. But too bad. I might not like it for the okay, so I flip it to the cleaner side for powder. Okay, so I like her mini one better for. So I got her mini one right here. Okay, so go throw some highlight on, which I'll use a brush because I'm gonna be more precise with it. Okay, I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my makeup complete after a little bit of a battle trying to get my lash glue open here. Hoping this one works out really well because I've been trying all sorts of lash glue lately. See if I can my lashes go stay down all day at work. So I can probably 100% say that I want to say my search is officially over. I think I'm pretty sure I found a replacement for my Tati Beauty sponge. Now she can go with my volume 1, be a collection piece, and hopefully she releases something down the line. I will be supporting her cosmetic line. I'll just continue supporting her Halo Beauty. Also, hopefully maybe something's down the line of Komodo Halo. So as for a Sephora Collection sponge pop thing, I would say 100% it will work as the Tati Beauty sponge. Wonderful. And yeah, this is definitely going to be a collection. I'm going to be keeping this. Going to buy more of these soon. I could say I can get rid of these out of my collection now. They are due. They have to go anyways. The only thing I like about them are the baby ones out of that. Like these actually can go in my collection now. And I'll be definitely picking up more of the Sephora collection one because especially $7. I cannot complain at that price. And especially when Sephora has their collection sales going on sale, like 20% off, 10% off every so often. And that's when you have a huge bargain on that one too as well. So I post 2 videos twice a week, Wednesday and Friday at 10 a.m. PST. Do subscribe, do ring a bell, and I hopefully see you guys again.